ngikutshele nje ngenza kwethu umkhonto uzolokhu ujikujelile nje so nje sizolokhu sihamba around simkhombise ukuthi what is happening right now ilokho nje. Akakakhuluma umsholozi uzokhuluma ngo-4 so just nje to update people for those abangalentuzi abangazi uNxamalala uzokhuluma ngo-4 kufanele ngabe ukhuluma ngo-2 but because of change ukhuluma ngo-4 so njengamanje usekwi-holding room njengoba ekwi-holding room njena kukhona ama-discussions asawenza and then-ke bese phuma-ke emva kwalokho then-ke seyakhuluma so nje let's keep on tapping, let's get to 500,000, let's get to 1 million. In fact, we've passed that. Let's get to 1 million njengamanje. So usengaphakathi babo uNxamalala umkhonto uyajikijela ilokho nje esingakusho yabo so silinde yena njengamanje babo uNxamalala sonke njengoba silinde yena. Ulindani umaphumulo oh no good TikTok no it's fine. Uthi uchaja ngani? Funa yiphi inhlobo ye-charge?
Funa iPhone
USB-C noma wena ne-iPhone? Ah, sorry man.
Una USB.
I'm going to